Good morning, my people. So we're going to make some chicken. We have garlic, we have garlic, we have onion, we have tomatoes, we have the chicken, Maggi cubes, and ginger. 2 tomatoes, coriander powder here, chicken masala. This is salt, and this is chili. Very simple ingredients, so let's go ahead and prepare this and then cook the chicken. So we start. Tomatoes, ginger, garlic, onion, chicken, done. Next step, start cooking. Next we start by the pan and cooking oil. The onions. Go for the chicken. So after the chicken, we go for the salt. Salt to taste. Okay. Go for the Maggi. Go for the knife. We cover this for a moment. Open the check. Stir a little bit. Cover it again. Check the progress. The onion is cooking, it has turned brown. So we go with the garlic. We go with garlic and ginger. Garlic and ginger. You mix that shit. Garlic and ginger. Mix that. Then you go with the chili. If you love chili, you put as much as you want. If you don't like, you can put just a little, or you can put no chili. I love chili, so I'm putting chili. This and let this cook for a while. Open and check. So we keep checking until we feel like the oil has dried up and the chicken has started to turn brown, just like it is now. So in a few minutes, so we go ahead and add now. This is the where we chicken masala. See here, chicken masala. We add this in plenty. as much as you can. And if you have coriander leaves, you don't need a coriander powder, but I don't have coriander leaves, so I'll go with coriander powder. Just put enough. And you can stir this now. For a minute or two. See here, the aroma is involved, everything is cooked in, absorbed. So we go in and add the tomato, make a space in between and add it. Add the tomato. The tomatoes added, and you can stir it. Mix everything evenly. Then cover and let it cook in a low heat. Stir and check to see if the tomatoes are soft. As you can see, they are soft enough.